The trial of those three men charged in the death of Ahmaud Arbery. Attorneys gave their opening statements on Friday, painting two very different pictures of the defendants. Prosecutors accusing the men of wrongly assuming Arbery as a burglar. The defense calling him a plunderer, insisting the defendants were just doing their duty to protect their neighborhood. Alex Presha still outside that courthouse in Brunswick, Georgia, with us for more as we get ready for this trial to get underway. Second, just a few minutes away, possibly, Alex. Friday, we saw an incredibly graphic police body cam video for the very first time. It clearly made an effect on the family, the courtroom, even a juror, Alex.
That's right, Kiera. On Friday, we heard that testimony from Glynn County Officer William Duggan, and they played his body camera footage. He was one of the first responding officers to that scene after Ahmaud Arbery was shot to death. And I mean, we saw the interaction for the prosecutor basically getting a sense as to how Officer Duggan processed the scene, his interactions with defendants Gregory and Travis McMichael at the time, their state of being, their state of mind. But also, I mean, with that incredibly graphic footage, we saw the reaction in the courtroom from some of the jurors and some of the people actually in the gallery. One juror, a woman, actually shielded her eyes because of that graphic, those graphic images. She shielded her eyes with a notebook. And so you have to wonder, like, over the weekend, how that those images are going to impact the jury this week.
Well, not only impacting the jury, but also the community there is reacting to the first day of testimony. As you've been out there in the community talking to people, what are you thinking about this morning, Alex?
Well, I mean, I think the one thing, everyone's seen that cell phone video, right? That cell phone video is familiar to most of the folks in this community, but specifically that body camera footage. A lot of people were talking about that over this weekend, and it renewed these feelings of sadness and frustration about this case. It was basically everyone that we spoke with over the weekend referenced that in particular. And so there's definitely some renewed feelings of animus, some renewed feelings of concern. Of some of the renewed frustrations that video may have sparked, but that's definitely the lasting impact and what's being talked about in this small town of Brunswick right now.
Well, as you know, and our viewers know, we'll be carrying this trial from gavel to gavel every single day until it is completed. When we think about today and when trial resumes, possibly within about 20 minutes or so, what are we expecting to hear right off the bat?
Well, Kiera, so we're expecting the prosecution to bring their next witness. Now, we learned that the witness list is sealed, so it's a little bit of a mystery as to who will come next. But based off of jury questioning, we anticipate that it could be another member of law enforcement or possibly a member of the crime lab.
All right, Alex Presha there in Brunswick, Georgia for us. Thank you so much. We'll be talking a lot this morning and this afternoon.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.